Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is GameDev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. A Hike in No-No Lily and Gods by Cage Bunny Games. Here's another little shot of some environment stuff by Seth. Rainbow Smoke by Seal. Gilby mixed with Berserk being the goal by Labyrinth. Some procedural sky with volumetric clouds by Fuying Di. Made a ground slash effect. The link is below by Gabriel Aguilar Productions. We found love in separate ways. You can wishlist Cynthia now on Steam by TOMASZ. We came so far through our weakness. We found love even this time. If you're going to have giant machines, they have to be climbable by PYRO LITH. Testing the shop system with my favorite collectibles by JGB Games.
Okay.
I want to do
Third iteration of some outdoor environments by Green Bullet.
I want to do more different Tokaboka.
Alright, let me help you with it.
I want to do another Tokaboka. I want to do more different Tokaboka.
Alright, let me help you with it.
Games made with Unity by Unity for Gamers. Excited to announce that Nifty Table has joined us in providing the voice of Maul by Strawberry Octane.
Hydro. Is this the best you've got? You're beginning to disappoint me.
Can you summarize Glyph in one sentence? Nope. By Glyph.
Exploded. Nope, not even close. Exploded.
Working on a new board game by Sergio. Experimenting with Movement by GRIMM Tales. Continuous Explosion to Increase the Exhilaration by CMOS Studios. Just freaking send it by RACELEAGUE. Big Trouble in Little Jailhouse by TOMASZ. Adding visual feedback when enemies take damage by JOHAN. So excited to release the first trailer of Infinity Girl by DEVDAD. Saving at the Altar, then heading into the first dungeon by FERALHIPPOGAMES. Chasing Fireflies at Night by Half Past Yellow. Introducing The Rugby by Azurex. Hyper Blue's quirk gives her the ability to summon swords alongside her attacks by Geno Kids. Fixed a lot of bugs and they were bugging me by KARATKURO. Having a Peaceful Stroll, not worrying about the monsters in the fields by Dennis. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.